The dawn of the digital intelligence era is constantly broadening the scope of human understanding and potential. Amidst the waves of innovation, as a leading provider of fire safety products and integrated system solutions, Tanda remains steadfast in its mission to ensure your fire safety at every turn. Vision and expertise, excelling through industry focus. Since its establishment in 2008, Tanda has steadfastly upheld its mission, providing high-quality products and services for buildings, enhancing the quality of life and productivity. Through the power of technological innovation, driving transformative change in the industry. In response to the national call for digital transformation, deepening its commitment to the digital intelligence strategy, continuously refining its production structure, building a robust smart manufacturing system centered around smart fire safety. Tanda has established 3 cutting-edge R&D centers, an advanced smart manufacturing facility covering 56,000 square meters and 27 advanced automated production lines. Tanda has achieved impressive production capacities, over 80 million intelligent terminals annually, as well as over 300,000 control hosts. Our proprietary FOSLink platform supports over 600 million concurrent data transactions daily, facilitating the IoT-enabled upgrade of traditional applications. It offers comprehensive technical support for cloud migration across various traditional industries. Tanda is steadfast in its commitment to meeting customer needs across industries including real estate, chemicals, petroleum, and new energy storage, ensuring customers achieve maximum value. We have developed a comprehensive range of 18 specialized subsystems, including traditional fire alarm systems, hybrid home security system, electrical fire monitoring systems, intelligent emergency lighting systems, as well as fire equipment power supply monitoring systems, among others, delivering seamless fire safety coverage and fully integrated product solutions for all scenarios. Strategic vision. Innovation fueled by dedication. Leading the industry through every technological breakthrough, building trust through each earned accolade, and driving progress by establishing new industry standards. Tanda strictly complies with national and industry standards at every stage of product development and production, ensuring 100% product inspection. The company holds certifications such as ISO 9001 Quality Management System, compulsory and voluntary fire product certifications, and LPCB product certification. Tanda is steadfast in its commitment to technological innovation as the core driver of its sustainable growth. Through independent innovation and development, collaborative development with clients, and client-supported R&D models, delivering flexible, efficient, and professional solutions, meeting diverse client needs with expertise and precision. As of now, the company has been granted 40 invention patents, 80 utility model patents, and over 100 software copyrights. To date, over 330 products have been awarded the China National Compulsory Product Certification and 11 products certified by LPCB. In response to the evolving demands of new fire safety scenarios, Tanda leads the way with cutting-edge solutions, including AI robot monitoring solutions for fire control rooms, smart campus safety solutions, smart safety solutions for chemical parks, underground parking solutions for new energy vehicles, and fire safety renovation solutions for urban villages, among other industry-leading initiatives. By driving innovation across diverse industries through technological advancements, Tanda ensures fire safety for society as a whole. Furthermore, in response to the fire safety challenges posed by new energy and energy storage, Tanda has developed a comprehensive suite of proprietary solutions. These include advanced fire early warning, alarm, and suppression products, as well as a cloud-based monitoring and management system for stations and sites, offering a one-stop solution for fire safety in energy storage and new energy projects, and meet various fire safety needs in new energy projects. Cabin level, cluster level, and pack-level safety standards, delivering tailored protection to meet every customer's unique needs. Strategic focus. Fortifying the Tanda brand. With the trust and support of our customers, we continuously strive for excellence in quality standards with a well-established corporate structure, transforming Tanda from a sole product manufacturer into an integrated provider of smart manufacturing plus services. Our network covers 7 major marketing regions, over 300 sales and service offices, reaching more than 280 cities nationwide. Additionally, we have established international subsidiaries in the UK, Singapore, the UAE, and other countries. From countless client endorsements and recognition to our dominant market share, Tanda's solutions have been successfully implemented in over 600,000 projects worldwide. Tanda has forged partnerships with over 50 leading enterprises, including China Resources Land, China Merchants Sheku, China Mobile, BYD, State Grid Corporation of China, and Envision Group. Together, we have created flagship projects, including the Chengdu Global Center, Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center, State Grid Jiangbei Wind Solar Storage Integration Base, Haichun Energy Storage Manufacturing Base in Chongqing, Singapore Changi Airport, and the Argentina Hydroelectric Dam. Seize the moment. Win the future together. Tanda is committed to providing customers with a reliable, efficient, and intelligent fire safety solutions, harnessing intelligent technology to guide us toward a better life.